Good morning, children. Good morning. Let's move ahead. So, our next topic will be fixed joints. Some joints between bones in our head are different from those we have discussed so far. Okay, till now we discussed about ball and socket joint, which is present in the shoulder and the hip. Then we discussed pivotal joint, which is present between your head and the neck. Yeah, we also discussed about the hinge joint, which is present in your elbows and knees. Okay, now we are discussing about the fixed joints. So some joints between bones in our head are different from those we have discussed so far. The bones cannot move at these joints. Such joints are called fixed joints. Children, please underline. The bones cannot move at the joint and such joints are called fixed joints. When you open your mouth wide, you can move your lower jaw away from your head. Can you do that? You can move your lower jaw, isn't it? Try to move your upper jaw. Can you do that? Keep your lower jaw tight with hand and try to move upper jaw. Can you do that? No. Are you able to move it? No. There is a joint between the upper jaw and the rest of the head, which is a fixed joint. Okay. So rest of the head and upper jaw is fixed. Only the lower jaw is movable. Okay, children. We discussed only some of the joints that connect parts of our body, right? What gives the different parts of the body their different shapes? If you wanted to make a doll, what will you make first? Perhaps a framework to give a doll shape before making its outer structure. Isn't it? All the bones in our body also form a framework to give shape to our body. Please underline. What is the function of a bone? So we will write all the bones in our body also forms a framework which gives the shape to our body. Right? Moving ahead. Now this is important. Human skeleton is composed of 305 bones at birth. Okay. Human skeleton is composed of 305 bones at birth. The number of bones in the skeleton changes with age. It decreases to 206 bones by adulthood. Okay, and after some bones have fused together. So bones they get fused together. So initially there are 305 bones. Now see, it's just 99 bones more. When the children or baby is born, they are born with 305 bones. Yeah, and later it fuses together and during till adulthood it becomes 206. Right? So this framework is called skeleton. The framework comprises of 206 bones at the adulthood. It makes the framework, and this framework is called the skeleton. So this is your skeleton. How do we know that this is the shape of the human skeleton? How do we know that the shape of the different bones in our body? We can have some idea about the shape and numbers of the bones in some part of our body by feeling them. One way we could know this shape better would be to look at the X-ray image of the human body. Yeah, X-ray image of the human body. So whenever somebody break their legs or hands or fingers or anything, they have to go to the doctor, and doctor advise you to have an X-ray, and then you get an X-ray image, right? So that X-ray image will let you know the exact condition, whether the bones are fractured or not fractured or hairline fractured. They will let you know. Did you or anyone in your family ever have an X-ray of any part of your body taken? Only any part of your body. Sometimes when we are hurt or have an accident, doctors use these X-ray image to find out about any possible injuries that might have happened to the bones. The X-rays show the shape of the bones in our body. Okay, if anyone would have had any kind of X-ray before, if they have taken any kind of X-ray before, you can click the picture and show me. Feel the bones in your forearms. Upper arm, lower arm and upper leg. Lower leg and upper leg. Try to find the number of bones in each part. Similarly, feel the bones of your ankle and knee joints and compare these with the X-ray images. Okay, you will feel in the hand, the upper arm, you will have one single bone which is called humor. Upper arm I am saying means from shoulder to elbow, and from elbow to your wrist there are two bones, one thick bone on the upper hand, and underneath you will find one fine bone, there is a thin bone. Okay, so upper arm is called radius, which joins to your thumb, and lower one which joins to your little finger, there is a bone called ulna, ulna. So there are two bones. Okay, so your hand comprises of three bones. Till wrist I am talking about. So from shoulder there is a ball and socket joint, then there is a humor, and then there is a radius and ulna, and then there are carpals. So bones of your fingers are called carpals. Yeah, so there are carpals and metacarpals that you will learn later. So bend your fingers. You are able to bend them at every point. How many bones does your middle finger have? Feel the back of your palm. It seems to have many bones, isn't it? Is your wrist flexible? Can you rotate your wrist? Can you move it front, back, all the sides? Yeah. Is it made up of several small bones called carpals? What will happen if it has only one bone? You just imagine if your finger would have only one bone, what would have happened? Would you be able to hold anything? No, because your fingers are straight. How will you hold anything? To hold anything, you'll have to bend your fingers, right? So fingers, you can hold everything tightly. It means your fingers have so many joints, and that is why they are able to bend. Yeah. So children, here you have to draw the diagram of the whole skeleton, and the diagram, if you have a picture of X-ray, you can show me the X-ray, any X-ray, or then you have to draw the bones of the hands also. Alright, so here we are done with this. So today we are going to do till here only. Okay, this activity number 4, take a deep breath, these and all we'll do in the next period, right? But as a homework, you can complete all the diagrams so that in the next period you shouldn't be drawing all the diagrams. Yeah, one more very important information which I want to give you, children. Children, we have deleted some portions for you so that it becomes little easier for you to study. So here this chapter will be complete here till here, activity number 4. Okay, from gate of animals the portions are deleted. Okay, so from here till the end the portions are deleted, hence it will not be evaluated, and this portion, the gate of animals, will not be asked in the exams. Okay, so you don't have many diagrams to draw, but whatever diagrams are there you have to draw, children. Okay, so now as you finished watching my video, you'll have to quickly show me the diagrams. Okay.